Generally speaking, lawyers give very good advice. And if you're going to do anything legally or anything in business and it's highly technical, or if the stakes are very high, it's usually worth the expense to get a lawyer involved to guide you through the process. With that being said, I occasionally see lawyers give horrible advice. And a lot of times the client will just blindly follow the lawyer, and the lawyer can essentially kill a transaction or ruin an amicable relationship between two people, just based on the bad advice he's given out. One thing that I see pretty often is there will be negotiations either on a settlement agreement, the terms of a contract, whatever it is, and there are certain changes that the lawyer wants that are substantial or significant. And they'll also ask for some other changes that are sort of just meaningless um, to the parties. But when the other side says, no, we won't negotiate on certain things, the lawyer, I guess, takes it as an insult, or feels challenged. I don't know what. But they'll dig in their heels and they'll say this is non-negotiable, and throw a wrench into the settlement discussions or the contract negotiations, the lease discussions, whatever it may be. So what I would advise you, if you're dealing with an attorney and they just seem hell-bent on having it their way and nothing else, no flexibility, no compromise, you should really ask your lawyer what it is the lawyer is trying to avoid, what the odds are of the situation actually happening that the lawyer is trying to avoid. Has the lawyer seen it before? Um, and try to get a sense if the lawyer is just arguing for the sake of arguing, or if there's a genuine issue that the lawyer is trying to avoid that the lawyer has seen repeatedly happen in the past. And don't throw common sense out the window. If what the lawyer is saying to you doesn't add up, don't be afraid to just say, look, let common sense dictate here. Get out of the way. Let the transaction go through or the settlement go through. Um, and it's okay to question your lawyer and to direct your lawyer to do other than what he's advised you. If what he's advising seems like bad advice and goes against common sense.